clock strikes midnight, new hopes arise. We leave behind the low gray skies, step into the future with eyes so bright. New dreams take flight under starry night. Fresh beginnings as the year turns new. Wipe away the old hello to brand new you. Toast to the chances, the moments we seize, dancing through the seasons like a gentle breeze.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Henrik. We got Haley, we got the wifey, and the Tasmanian right there. So in this adventure video today, we are out at Forsakar waterfalls here in Sweden. So I'm gonna try to bring you along on this epic adventure to one of the waterfalls that I think is kind of cool. So if you want to come along, well, just stay tuned and we will get going. Vad plockar du efter?
Mossa.
Varför det?
Björndjur.
Björndjur? Vad är björndjur, Colin?
Jag vet inte.
Små mikroskopiska djur, va? Och vad händer när björndjuren inte får något vatten? De drar ihop sig, ja. Lever de fortfarande då? De gör det. Och vad händer när de får vatten igen då? Ja, de börjar leva igen, det är helt rätt. So we're heading up to the viewing spot for the waterfalls, but the nature right now is crazy and I'm loving it. I'm gonna turn you around so you can see. So the kiddos are just exploring. They found a patch of flowers right in the middle of the woods, and hello wifey, they found a survival shelter built up, and my wife told the little one, the Tasmanian, that there lives a troll in it, so, and ogres, so we wanted to explore and see if there were any ogres or trolls. When we're out on these kinds of woodland adventures, we just don't have one goal, but we wanted to take in as much as we can while we're out. Check this out. And as you can see, we are heading upstreams because we have the waterfalls right up here. So let's just continue and we will be making our way up right there to the viewing spot for the waterfalls. Now we're heading down towards the waterfall and there's a staircase right there. So we're gonna follow it, and I'm not gonna be able to show you the entire length because there's people walking it, so I'll catch you up when we're down there. So as you can hear, I think you will be able to hear it on the audio, we are closing in on the waterfall. And here we go.
There's a lot there.
So yeah, that was the waterfall, but like I said, we are quite early in the season, so it's kind of like it's about to get foliage, but it's still kind of not green. But I think we're gonna maybe do another visit during the summer here, because this is really beautiful terrain, and the water right here, I would love to go down to it, but I can't find any paths that leads down, and you're not allowed to climb on to the embankments. So we'll just have to see if we can find a spot to go down and follow the stream. So we're gonna continue to see if we can find any more places. Stay tuned, guys, and I think we will find something more epic. found a way down. So we're gonna bring the cam down and we're gonna give you some shots, I think, hopefully. But this hike has been kind of epic. Beautiful scenery, beautiful waterfalls, and even calmness. So let's see if we can get you some footage. We are just passing a bridge over the waterfalls right now, and we're gonna catch you up when we are right beside the stream. Because I ain't gonna get over this, so I need to backtrack.
The clock strikes midnight, new hopes arise.
There we go. There's where the water is coming from. And there's some really big down trees along this path.